In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer iPhone 11 to iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to transfer over all of your apps, accounts, photos, videos, and documents to a new iPhone model. Regardless of the model, you will be able to follow along. Of course, the focus of the video is on the iPhone 16, but the steps are the same for any other one. So the main way to do this is always going to be through the hello screen. This is a screen that you will see the first time that you power on any new iPhone, including the 16 or 16 Pro Max. If you have already gone through this screen previously, then you will have to erase the data on the new iPhone. So access the settings, scroll all the way down until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose the option to erase all content and settings. As the name suggests, this will erase everything on the new iPhone storage, but it will grant you access to the hello screen once more, which is important to properly transfer the data on your old iPhone. So now there are two main steps that you have to do: Quick Start and iCloud Restore. So first, for Quick Start, this will be performed automatically when you progress through the setup screen and you put your new iPhone in close proximity of the old one, as long as they are on the same Wi-Fi network, and you perform a software update if needed on the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max, you will get this notification on the old one: Set up new iPhone. All that you have to do is choose Continue, and they will automatically transfer all of the necessary information between themselves. You just have to wait, and most of the settings will be automatically set up for you. Eventually, when you proceed with the setup process, you will reach this window: Transfer your apps and data. Now, if you choose this option or you go into the settings afterwards, you will be able to transfer from an iCloud backup. So just choose this option, sign in with your Apple ID, and as long as you perform the backup before starting this process, you will be able to restore everything. You can also choose this secondary option if you still have the iPhone near you and it is going to transfer from the old iPhone 11, or connect it to a Mac or PC and use the iTunes software to do it as well. Choose whichever option you prefer. So use Quick Start for the main settings and iCloud to restore all of your apps and documents. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer iPhone 11 to iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.